Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, everybody who is, returning. And if you are not new here, hi, my name is Bobbi. Welcome. I really appreciate you being here. While you're here, okay, come over here and hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. It shows that you support me, this channel, and what I got going on over here, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to tell you guys what we're going to do, okay? I naturally have curly hair, but my hair is straightened. I actually just got a haircut. Okay, and my natural hair is actually pretty long. Let me show you guys. So my hair actually is like down to here, but I run into a problem where my hair straightened is actually pretty thin. I have tons of it. Trust me, there's tons of hair, but it's very thin. So I normally, or I have been, using this. It's actually a clip-in extension. These are from when I had my hair more layered, so it is a little bit shorter than my natural hair, and it's not the right color anymore, guys. My hair is like a warm black because I custom dyed it, so it's natural black with some red that I put into it. But I normally, when I think my hair is too thin or something like that, or I just want more hair or something like that, I put in these clip-in extensions. Now, I love these clip-in extensions. Don't get me wrong. These are a synthetic hair blend, which means that it has some pieces of real hair but most of it is a synthetic hair. So the synthetic hair, it like acts like real hair, but it has different needs than real hair. So but I just wanted something different. I wanted to try something with more to it, I guess. So let me put you guys up. Okay, so I'm about to go on vacation and I wanted to do something really cute, have just something different. But I know it ended up in me wanting to have more hair than I have because this, let me see, without squeezing, that's how big my ponytail is. Okay, and I love when the Kardashians do the whole pony on top of their head. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do the pony on top of the head. Okay, so I have a rat tail comb and a brush. It's like a hard bristled brush. I have a bunch of bobby pins. I have a clip in case I need it, and then I have my ponytail, which I always have a ponytail. I'm sure you guys have peeped that all the time. Even if my hair is down, I got a ponytail because it'd be hot, shoot. So I got it from this brand right here. And this is the packaging. It came inside the Amazon package. So I ordered it off Amazon. If I end up I'm gonna link it down below, this actual product right here. And this is a 24-inch, let me put it, and it's a 24-inch wavy ponytail. It is synthetic. It's a drawstring ponytail, and it has a clip also to anchor it. So it's intended to be wavy. I got the color number 2, and it was only $15.99. Guys, you can't beat that price, and it came really quick. Really quick. So they must have had it in the warehouse or something, So I'm gonna take it out for the first time with you guys. See, it comes with a little cafeteria net thing on it. And I'm gonna just take the paper. It has a little paper thing in it. I have a trash over there, okay? I'm not just being dirty and messy. So, and now I'm going to basically I'm gonna try and wrap my actual hair around the ponytail part, but we're gonna play this by ear, okay? And here is the little clip. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well since it's black on, like almost black. It has like a netting right here that the wefts are sewn onto, and then it has a little drawstring right here. So your hair is intended to go into this and it's supposed to look natural like that, but I'm going to try and do something a little bit different. So let me get to pulling my hair back. And now, since I have it all gathered, I'm gonna go ahead and smooth out my ponytail. I'm gonna do just a slick one, because this is just like, you know, to try it out, see if I like it, see if I don't like it. So hopefully it is good, hopefully I like it, and hopefully it's as long as my ponytail dreams hope they are, you know? So I'm going to take this back, and I hate hairspray, guys. I'm just going to be very, very honest. I'm not going to hairspray this. I'm not going to gel it or anything. I don't like those products because I feel like they have way too much alcohol in them. So yeah, they don't go on my hair. I already have like a little bit of a bad situation from wearing my hair in a bun all the time anyways. A little bit of receding hairline. My edges is getting a little snatched, okay? I need to start wearing my hair down and otherwise more often. Okay, so I'm gonna try and separate my ponytail into two different sections, okay? Like this half down and this half. I'm gonna go ahead and then just like bobby pin it, like swirl it and bobby pin it into, I'm sorry, you guys have to look mostly at the top of my head right now. I think I'm just gonna take another ponytail and then put this little bun piece on the top, and I'm gonna like put the bun piece right here and then show you. Okay, so I have like a little bun, and then I have my little ponytail piece hanging out right here, okay? So I'm gonna take the little clip portion, put all this weave, honey, behind me, and stick my bun on top of this right here, and then put the clip into my scalp. Whew. Some of my little baby hairs are coming out. Okay, come on, act right. Okay, so I'm gonna take my new hair, you guys. It's mine if I bought it, okay? So, oh shit, okay. Now it's secure. It's actually pretty freaking secure. I love that. It's extremely shiny, which is a telltale sign that somebody's shit is fake. So hopefully nobody clocks me, honey. Okay, so I pinned this up. I gathered all this hair right here on purpose. So I'm gonna take my actual hair and swoop it around the top, okay? Swoop it around a little bit more, as far as the hair will go. And as soon as I start running out of hair, I'm going to try to not drop any bobby pins. And I'm basically going to take it like this. I'm going to try and gather as much as I can and then push it underneath. And it doesn't matter as much in the back as it does up front. So I think my hair won't go around another time. So I'm just going to put this in the back because now it's out of the way. Okay. Now, okay. So, and this portion, this clip doesn't seem so secure. So I am going to bobby pin the clip down because it doesn't seem very secure, or my hair seems just that thin that it can't like contain it. So I'm gonna put this one bobby pin down into it, kind of like cross angled. So I'm gonna make like an X on top of the clip, if that makes sense to you guys. Uno más way. Okay, and then in an X this direction. Okay, okay, okay. And then, okay, okay. I'm just gonna twist this my little hairs that I have that are mine, and get another bobby pin. I think I've used maybe 4 or 5 already. Okay, so 6, and then 7, just to get that little tail end piece right there that I can see it was over here. Now, if you do use, if you're a hairspray girl, you can definitely get your little baby hairs right here, spray them backward. So I'm just going to rake my hair just a little bit, because I have hella baby hairs because of all the breakage up front, you know? So just swoop it back, swoop it back. Okay, and ooh, girl. This is my ponytail dreams. Yes, this is everything that I wish my ponytail was already. It's low-key pretty heavy, okay? So I do feel a little snatch, you know, back. Hopefully my edges don't snatch all the way off, okay? And this is a number 2, which black is 1, and then like natural black is 1B, and then like very dark brown is 2. So I have a 2, and my hair, my natural hair is like a 4, and then in some spots it's like a 27, and a 27 is like a bright blonde. Okay, so my hair has natural blondish highlights in it, and so I'm not sure if you guys can really tell or see the difference between this ponytail piece right here and this piece, or this, because this and this are my natural hair, and then this is the ponytail piece. But bitch, I don't even care. Look, my hair, it's bouncy. It's mine because I paid for it. Okay, girls though. Do I look like Ariana? Yeah. Let me back you guys up. Hold on. We're gonna go somewhere where you guys can see how freaking cute this is. Hold on. First, I'm gonna need y'all to not judge me on what I am wearing. I'm comfy, but I also want to be glam. So what do we do when we want to be glam and comfy? Do the neck up. Okay, we're doing the neck up, and then y'all can see a bad bitch whenever I put on some clothes. Okay, but I don't have on no clothes today. Ooh, the little curly cues are so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna turn y'all around. Don't judge me. So, you guys, do you see how cute this is? We're in my beauty room still, but we're in my beauty room like behind that's my backdrop. So I'm normally on the other side of this. And then I have like an Instagram mirror right here, if you guys can see. And then there's my palettes and then my other shit. But we're not gonna judge that I'm wearing freaking board shorts and a t-shirt, okay, to come see you guys. But this is like so freaking cute. Like, the cuteness level is insane. I'm gonna bring the light closer. Now, we are in business. Do you guys see this? This is so freaking cute. Like, let me zoom in around my Ariana Grande freaking ponytail. Like, this is so cute. It goes a little past the boob, right? And like, there's enough of it. Like, after, you kind of gotta break it up a little bit because it's all swirled together. But like, after I break it up a little bit with my hands, always use your hands. And if you can, put like a little bit of hair gel, or not hair gel, hair oil on your hands, like just enough to just barely coat, and then move it, which is what I did. And so you can have, there's enough of this ponytail to literally put on both sides of your body. Do you see that? Like, that is so freaking cute. Like, and look at the top. I feel like I'm ready to go give somebody some attitude and then shake my fake hair at them. Yes, let's do that. If only my best friend lived here, I'd be like, bitch, let's go to Walmart so I can Karen somebody. But I love my little ponytail. I feel so glam with it. Okay, let's go back into the little studio. Everybody, that was my super quick drawstring ponytail installation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. And the best part about this, you don't have to spend hours and hours styling your hair. You can just throw it up in a ponytail legitimately, or twist all of it around into a bun, put you a clip, put you a couple of bobby pins in the clip, okay, and then you're all good, especially if you got a good hairline, not like me. But I am so living for this, and I'm so ready to go on vacation and then just wear this to the beach. I can slick my hair back, wear it to the beach, and then if I want to get in the water, bitch, snatch my ponytail off real quick. But don't do that because you got bobby pins, it's secured down. Don't do that. Actually, it would be more secure if I pulled the drawstring taut, but I forgot to tell you guys that what kind of like YouTuber beauty guru am I? Okay, so let me show you really quickly. You pull, and it has like pullovers do. It has this thing where you can just pull it upward, okay, and then it has this little string. Don't ever chop off the little string, and see, you can't even see it. I know you can't even see it. I just know it. I just know it. Oh my God, you guys, I'm so cute. It feels so much more secure now with it pulled tighter. Okay, so that was my tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you feel like it, you know, if you feel like you got a friend who might like it, go ahead and share it with them too. Okay, so thank you so much. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.